Good morning. I wanted to share some things that have been beneficial to me in my meditation practice in hopes that it might be beneficial to some of you. And if you are new to meditation, then this one is really for you. For starters, I like to pick the same spot and the same time frame each day. So for me, I work out about 5 days a week, so I actually meditate about 5 days a week. I like to do it right after my workouts. It's kind of my flow. I just know it's like my routine, my habit. And I have my mat already rolled out. So my green mat is where I meditate. And I also enjoy facing the windows, even though I have my eyes closed while I meditate. There's just something about facing the windows for me. It feels like I'm facing the world, the universe, whatever you want to say. But that has been what I enjoy. So same place, same time frame generally helps. I also use a guided meditation still. My husband actually meditates with me, so it's just kind of been our thing, and we have stuck with. It's called Boho Beautiful Meditation, and they're free meditations on YouTube. So it's just type in Boho Beautiful Meditation, and depending on the time we have left in our morning, it's either 5, 10, or 15 minutes that I put in. So I literally will put in the search Boho Beautiful Meditation 10 minutes, Boho Beautiful Meditation 15 minutes. And over the years, I've listened to the same ones over and over, and it doesn't matter. You get a different experience every time. She starts out, she has the most soothing voice, first of all, and then she starts out with just kind of helping you get into it more. She gives you a mantra if you want to stick with a mantra, and then it's just soothing music. So then she gives you your space to meditate without talking, which I love. I do believe her 5-minute meditations are guided the whole way through, so maybe start with that if you're really starting out. And I still do some of her 5-minute meditations. When we have 5 minutes, that's what we do, and it still makes us feel better. So same spot, same time, a guided meditation called Boho Beautiful. It works for me. Hands up or hands down. Hands up is when you are open to receiving, and hands down is when you want to feel grounded. I switch it up, and if I'm ready to receive and I want to be open to what the universe is prepared to give me, I'm hands up. If I feel just uneasy or I just feel like I need to feel grounded, it's hands down. And we could get into the fingers, but don't worry about that right now. If you do this, it's like in yoga, it's not letting the energy out. It's just like you're staying all together. So if you want to do that, you can. People do their forefingers or their middle fingers with the thumb. I wrote this down so I didn't all forget my points. So now I'm here. I'm gonna do hands up today. Actually, no, we're gonna start with grounding, hands down. I feel like when I started out, I just felt better right away. Hands down. And I'm gonna close my eyes, and I'm gonna focus on this middle area between my two eyes. It's called the third eye, but forget the technical term and just focus right here. So when you close your eyes, I'm focusing right there. And if it's still hard for you when you're envisioning that right there, envision a bright white light. So I will sometimes, when I just cannot focus, I envision a bright white light coming through there, and that really helps me sometimes. Sometimes not, but it does help. Scents. If you like scents, sometimes wearing the same scent can help. So just put it on, few drops of essential oil, bottoms of your feet, wherever you want. But sometimes a scent will help me in a given day. I'm probably half and half, depending on what I want. And the scent that I just applied right now is called Grounding by Young Living, but I just changed it up with what I have. Those are my tips, and I try not to judge my practice. I used to all the time, and it's nature to judge once in a while, to be like, oh, I wish I would have focused more, I wish I would have got there, or I wish I would have saw something. But just try not to judge. Just do it over and over, and you'll eventually just start getting a shift in your just mentality, your energy. And I was always happy before I meditated, but I just feel just like lighter overall when I meditate. So yeah, just a good start to my day. So I hope you took away some things. Let me know if you have any questions below. Have a great day.